I just want to tell you something about this Ford F150 5.4. My experience, the car is shaking now. You can see also misfiring. And I have timing codes and cam codes. And the car is shaking, like, see now when I'm in traffic lights, the car starts shaking so badly. So I want to tell you something and how to fix it. Like if you have this code, time in advance or something like that, and your car shaking while you're driving or while you stop in traffic lights, and then the car shakes so bad, idling so bad, and the problem is the VCT solenoid or the phasers, or if your timing stretch. But the most common problem is the VCT solenoid. To check this solenoid, if you go to the bank 2, which is the driver side, just to pull one of the ignition coil. If you see the car shaking, that means this solenoid is working. If the car is not shaking at all while you remove the connector from the ignition coil, this means the VCT solenoid is bad. You're gonna do this for both sides, and you see if one of them is bad, just replace it. And
in
then
a quarter mile, turn right onto High Point Road.
And if the car is still shaking after that, and then you will change the phaser, because the phasers, even if it looks good to you, but inside is like this, wiggling. You can hear the shaking, la 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 la, like this. That means the phaser is bad. You can buy the bees from eBay, so you can lock the phasers, or you can get the new one. But anyway, if you get a new phaser or new VCT solenoid, you have to buy it from the dealer. Don't waste your money and time buying the whatever cheap parts from anywhere. It's not gonna work, believe me. I tried 100 times. You get the original phaser and the original VCT solenoid, your car will run perfect. If you replace phasers and the VCT solenoid, why you replace them? Check the time and see if the timing is loose or stretch or anything like that. Your timing is bad, so you will do the timing also. I'm just telling you the basic way to do it. Some people buy the whole kit from Amazon, the Genium parts, which is the timing, phasers, VCT solenoid, replace them all. And also you need to get the oil pump. It's better to replace it with the high volume. I think it calls Melanie, something like that. I forget the name. Yeah, you need to get the, I think it's 340. Yeah. If you ask me, I will tell you in the comments. I will search it for you. Yeah, but this is the basic problem you will have with the Ford. I have worked on these trucks for 4 years for the same problem. If you have only one side shaking, like you have only bank 2 codes, you gotta do both anyway. If you do one side, you're gonna go back and do the other side, believe me. So it's better to get the easy way to get the 2 VCT solenoid. I told you how to check, replace them first without taking the cover out or anything. Easy job. And then if you still have the same problem, you will replace phaser. Don't replace only one, but replace both of them, and your truck will drive perfect. And if you have any question, just ask me, I will answer right away. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.